Every year we come to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. We come for an unforgettable paradise for relaxation, adventure, and vibrant nightlife.
Hola, I'm Michael.
And I'm Jessie, and we're free to wander now.
And today we've wandered down to Puerto Vallarta.
Yes, we are meeting our friends.
So today we want to see what's happening in Puerto Vallarta and the surrounding Bay Area.
And so we are looking it up on VallartaCalendar.com. We can find either what's happening by date or look up our favorite group to see where they are playing tonight.
We have restaurants with live entertainment, theater, we have cabarets, we have art festivals, music festivals, and on and on.
The great thing is that the listings are kept current, up to date, and with all the information you need to find your favorite things. Visiting Puerto Vallarta, Vallarta Calendar guides can help you find art galleries, attractions, and tours.
Our friends are beginning their visit here in Nuevo Nayarit, so we told them about VallartaCalendar.com.
So we were able to look up events in English
and Spanish,
find the exact location where our favorite local band was playing, and enjoy the best Puerto Vallarta has to offer. From the bustling gay scene of Zona Romantica to luxury resorts in Nuevo Nayarit, authentic local performances that sparkle all around the Bay of Banderas.
Vallarta Calendar is your source for everything that's happening in Puerto Vallarta and around the bay.